morning from Rome. I guess I don't have to present that city. That's amazing. And that's huge. I mean, you can spend here weeks and still have stuff you didn't see or didn't do. So we spent here this time only one day because our main destination is Amalfi. That's my absolutely favorite place in Europe. I love it. It's so beautiful. And we're going to stop on Pompeii on the way. We've been there already, but it was so hot. We barely could have walked. So we saw something, but not enough. So we'd like to visit that second time. Let's go.